Hello dear students, so now we would move ahead in this first chapter of class 10th geography, that is resources and development. So today here we are going to discuss another type of soil here, that is the black soil. Okay, now if you see, we have another name for black soil. It is also known as the regular soil, and this soil is mainly found in the basaltic rocks. Okay, it is found mainly in the basaltic rocks. What are the basaltic rocks? Basaltic rocks are formed by the sudden cooling down of the lava. Okay, lava, you might be knowing, when the volcanoes are there, when the volcanoes, let's say it's a mountain. Okay, when the volcanoes are erupting, so lava come out of it. Lava come out of it. Let's say this is the volcano. So when it is erupting, so when the lava come out of it, and when it cool down suddenly, it leads to the formation of the basaltic rocks, and we can find this black soil in those basaltic rocks. Are you getting this? Yes. So we have these basaltic rocks there in the Deccan Plateau region. This is the Deccan Plateau region. We can find these basaltic rocks here, where we have the black soil there. Are you getting it? Very good. See, there are various theories regarding the origin of the black soil there. Okay, the most accepted one is that the black soil is of the volcanic origin. Means it has been formed by the lava. Are you getting this? Yes. And one more thing, let me tell you, the main reason where it drains, where we can find this black soil, the main reason we can see there, such as Malwa, then Madhya Pradesh, then you have Chhattisgarh there. Okay, so in those regions we can find the black soil there. Okay, it's a kind of fine clay which can hold moisture also. Black soil can hold moisture also, and while it holds moisture, it expands. It can expand also, as well as it can contract also. Okay, while it is holding the moisture, it would expand at that time, and during the dry season the moisture would come out, and then at that time it would dry then. Okay, it would contract at that time. So during the dry season, black soil contracts, and during when there the moisture in the soil there, so it would expand at that time. Okay, and if you see, it is very rich in calcium carbonate, that is also known as CaCO3. This black soil is very rich in calcium carbonate, and it is very rich in magnesium also, and it is very rich in potash also. Okay, so these things are present there in the black soil. But more important thing that you should know, that the phosphorus content is very poor there in the black soil. Okay, it is poor in phosphorus content. Okay, you would found the phosphorus in very less amount there in the black soil. So there you might have, you just it can be an objective type question. Okay, which content is least in the black soil? So answer would be the phosphorus. So phosphorus is in least amount in the black soil. Okay, so let me write this all for your notebook purpose. So this is what you have to write about the black soil. So it is also known as regular soil. It is found in basaltic rocks, commonly found in the Deccan Plateau region, that we have already discussed. There are various theories regarding the origin of the black soil, but the most accepted one is of the volcanic origin, that also we have discussed. It is found mainly in the Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh region. It's a kind of fine soil which can hold moisture also, that I have already told to you. It expands when it has water in it. When it has water in it, means the moisture in it, so it would expand at that time. So it is and contracts during the dry season. Okay, because the water would come out of that at that time. So it is very rich in calcium carbonate, magnesium, potash, and lime. So these four contents are in more amounts there, in the black soil. But it is but the poor in phosphorus content. You would not find the phosphorus content in more amount there in the black soil. So there it can be important for the examination point of view also, which content is very poor in the black soil. So answer would be the phosphorus. Are you getting this? Okay, just note it down. So now we would discuss another type of soil, that is the red and yellow soil. Okay, now if you see, the red and yellow soil, it is found mainly in the crystalline igneous rocks. Where it is found? It is found in the crystalline igneous rocks. So what are these igneous rocks? Igneous rocks are again formed by the lava, and it is formed by the cooling and solidification of the lava. Okay, lava that you again might be knowing, I have already told you about the lava. Okay, so these igneous rocks are formed by the cooling and the solidification of the lava. Okay, so we can find this red and yellow soil here in the igneous rocks. Okay, and we can this this red and yellow soil is mainly in the region of the lower rainfall, in case of the eastern and the southern part of the Deccan Plateau, beyond the black soil in the eastern and the southern part of the Deccan Plateau. You have the Deccan Plateau. So in the eastern and the southern part of the Deccan Plateau, so beyond the black soil you have the red soil there. Let's say here you have the red soil, black soil content. So beyond the black soil you have the red soil there in the where in the eastern and southern part of the Deccan Plateau. Are you getting this? Very good. Okay, and it is commonly seen in parts of like Odisha and Chhattisgarh and the southern part of the Ganga plains. Also you would find this this red and yellow soil, and again in the western Ghat also, you would find this red and yellow soil. Now the question is, why this red color is there? So this red color is there, this is due to the diffusion of the iron content, because this iron is present in the igneous rock. Okay, so when it diffuses, the color of the soil becomes red. Now how this becomes yellow then? So when this red soil comes in contact with the water, it gets hydrated and the color of the red soil becomes yellow at that time. Are you getting it? Very good. Now one more important thing, let me tell you about this red and the yellow soil. It is found mainly where? There in the which one region? In which one rocks? Igneous rocks. Okay, and the black soil was there in basaltic rocks. Okay, both are there in the Deccan Plateau region, where you have the black soil. So beyond the black soil you have the red soil there. Are you getting it? Very good. Okay, let me write this all here that I have told you. So this is what you have to write in your notebook. It is found in the crystalline igneous rocks. It is found in the region of lower rainfall in eastern and the southern part of the Deccan Plateau that we have already discussed. It is commonly found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern part of the Ganga plains also, and in the western Ghat there. Okay, this inside. Okay, the red color of the soil is due to the diffusion of the iron content there. Okay, because the iron is present there in the igneous rock. When it diffuses, so it gives rise to the red color of the soil, and the same soil becomes yellow when it comes in contact with the water. It gets hydrated and the color of the soil becomes yellow at that time. Are you getting? So that is all for today. We'll be discussing some more types of soil in the lectures ahead. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.